All right, not even 2 weeks in since DeepSeek shocked the world with its new LLM that's basically took less than 10 million to create and to train, and now is being given away for free for everyone to use as they may please. We didn't even get time to bounce back, and we already have the next kid on the block, Quen from Alibaba. So let's check it out. Since if we go search for Quen, there's not really much that shows up. Doesn't seem like there's any people really searching for this yet, since they just introduced this. But it seems like it's already better than ChatGPT 01 and also our new rival on the block, DeepSeek R1. And you can code, you can do images, videos, absolutely everything. So we're going to take a look, and we're going to go into the different details, and I'm going to tell you everything about it, what's supposedly better, what's not, and we're going to check it out. Apparently you can go in and you can code and you can debug your code right side by side, and you can look at everything in one preview. All right, so the prompt was, give me a simple landing page with a call to action for a lead magnet and some other usual components that you'd use. It's going about and creating this for me, and at the same time on the right side we'll have a preview of this, and then I guess we can ask it to adjust or do this differently. I'm gonna go give the exact same task to DeepSeek R1, and we're gonna see what the results look like in comparison. So here we have the roofing landing page. We have a call to action button, some neat stuff, contact us. Okay, not bad. All right, so here we have the same prompt in DeepSeek, and it did give me contact form here with request free inspection. I think that looks nice. So I would say this is on par, maybe even a little bit better from DeepSeek. What do you guys think? Right, on to the next one. Create a hyper-realistic image of a small wooden cabin in a foggy forest at dawn. I think this is nice. It's crazy how good these image models are getting. This definitely beats E3 from ChatGPT every time. I like though that artifact thing that you can preview your code side by side. It takes a little while to load, but really useful if they get this up to speed, that you can create your website or your web app or whatever you're doing, and you can change it, debug it, and quickly make iterations to it, which is definitely a plus for these models. I forgot, DeepSeek cannot do any images yet. Okay, so what about video? Okay, cool, so we can change the format of the image. I guess not when it's done though. Okay, so let's go try video as well, which apparently is crazy. There, we maxed out. Okay, we'll try again. No, it doesn't want to do video with me right now. Okay, let's see how the general web research performs, and maybe write a short. The research and the writing of this module is actually insane. It's giving us sources similar to Perplexity, or as we know it from DeepSeek now as well. And it seems like it's trying to keep up with the 2,500 words. And I'm assuming the text is not very well written, but that's probably because my prompt is just as easy as you could do a prompt for writing a longer blog post. Okay, next I'm gonna try a better prompt for writing this, and I'm just gonna copy paste this into a doc. Wow. So that was actually 1,700 words. So not bad for that 2,000 whatever goal I gave it. So let's just try with a better prompt. LM. So let's write about Quen LM. Put again 2,500 words. This should be a much better prompt. And let's see what it comes up with. Wow. It's writing a table, and it's incorporated all of the correct data. It looks like it's correct. At least that's what it scraped. Okay, but it's still not super good. I'm gonna give this to DeepSeek, see what it comes up with. Let's select search. But since the internet found out about DeepSeek, you cannot use the search function anymore. So we might need to do a little workaround. Maybe we can use Perplexity to do the research, and then we can give that to DeepSeek. So let's just put this in. Research from the web. All right, go DeepSeek. Don't let me down. Overall, I think the second article that we did is way better than the first, just based on the prompt. The title is better, text is better, it's more readable. It's also not as long. It's only 1,300 words. Okay, I guess it didn't find a lot of information on Quen. The new open source underdog from Alibaba that's redefining what we expect from AI. Buckle up, this isn't just another chatbot. Dude, you're completely... He's putting his competition on a pedestal. That's good. Okay, nice. Very nice. Dude, he did a better job. DeepSeek definitely did a way better job at writing this article. Way less bullshit. Very clear, very structured. I love it. What a nice gesture for your competition. Look at this. Do these links work? Machine learning. Quen LM. So, okay, it used the links from Perplexity. Wow. Okay, let's paste that into the document here. Checking the word count. I really like this formatting. The easiness to read this. Very clear. Very nicely broken down. There we go. Okay, that's just 915 words. But still, it's way better, I would say. It's not just another ChatGPT clone. Well, maybe it's a DeepSeek clone. Have you thought of that, DeepSeek? Okay, cool. What about the other models? Maybe this would do better if we give it the same prompt in the plus. Nah, that's probably the same, eh? All right, so overall, it's cool that they're doing new models. I think this Quen will definitely get better over time as well. It's definitely a plus for all of us to see AI being shared, being open sourced. Everybody's working on it. Everybody's trying to create a new model. And this will be 100% a way better world for all of us if it's not gated within one company where we're locked into a bunch of expensive subscriptions or just their way. So another thing that Quen supposedly isn't really biased about is just general bias and all these gated. So we know that ChatGPT is not telling us anything, and we know that DeepSeek also has quite a few issues of being transparent with different topics. So why don't we try Quen and see how openly he wants to discuss this with us. At least it's not telling me it cannot answer this question, right? And it's giving me facts, dates. All right, so it does give us a little bit of context about this, and it shows us both sides. However, it's still a little bit cut off. So I guess if you want to completely set loose LLM to operate for you, you still need to download it and run it on your own machine. It will still be in its constraints here online, but it is better than just giving us no answer and not talking about it at all. So that's it. Do we like Quen? I don't know. I guess the video should be really cool and super fast, but that's not working right now. So let's try that another time. If you got any value from this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. I'll be making more of these videos every day. I'll tell you about what the newest AI on the block looks like and if it's useful and how to use it. And we'll also cover different topics like creating blog posts or coding some little widgets for your website so that you can reach more people, get more leads, get more clients, and get more revenue in 2025.